cutting down part of the tree so that when it's hurricane season, the tree branch and the tree won't fall down on top of the cable that going across like that. But if it does, we get a blackout and we won't have any power, and then they have to repair it. Because some of the trees fell down last year on the cable and we had no power. And they have to replace it, so I guess they're trying to prevent that this year. And what I noticed today, well not today, a few weeks, I noticed that this plant here was growing up like that, and I was keep wondering if it was tomatillo, plant. So it came up in the callaloo container. These are callaloo, and what is so funny about that? I didn't put the tomatillo plant in here. I didn't plant it in there. The seed ended up in there because one day it was so windy that I think what happened, this thing that I put in the flower pot, the wind keep taking it off from the flower pot and putting it in other containers, and at the bottom part, some of the soil from the container, it got transported in my callaloo container. I think that's what happened, and that's how this tomatillo plant is sprouting. And I know it's tomatillo for sure thing because I noticed the flowers that's coming, the flower bud is the same, it looks the same shape as the tomatillo plant here, but the leaves, just looking at the leaf, I couldn't really tell yet. So I'm comparing, I'm going to pick the leaf from this tomatillo plant and put it next to it, and it looked to be the same shape, different color. This one is lighter, but so I think it is tomatillo, so that's going to be good. At least I'll get a few tomatillo before the end of budding season. So far I noticed that my plant-based diet is going well so far. I noticed since yesterday it's like my body is getting cleansed. I'm getting detox, and today I end up going to the washroom like 3 times today. It wasn't any diarrhea, but I feel like I'm getting cleansed, and I feel more back to my regular self, because I told you that I have little health issues, but I'm getting back my energy, and I feel really light in my body, and more sharp and clear. So I'm going to continue eating like this and pray and hope for the best and see what happens. And I notice how beautiful my amaranth plant, the flowers are. So they look like little purple spider plant, but they're beautiful flowers. Obviously the flower's not gonna be as big as if I planted this flower in the ground, but it's just beautiful just to look at it. I really like the color. I started to harvest these tomato plant that I thought it was a mini tomato. It turned out to not be a mini tomato plant. The fruit tastes pretty good. It's not sweet but mild, and tastes better than grocery store tomatoes, of course. And I noticed also I finally got my first cucumber fruit that's coming, so I'm really excited about that. So I keep you guys up to date what's happening. Everything seemed to be okay so far. Bye for now.